when I check the YouTube algorithms, I get the indication that most of the people that are watching my videos and my channel are from India. So guys from India, I want to say thank you and a shout out to you for supporting my channel and to watch my videos. So I would like also to invite friends from Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Congo, Tanzania, Uganda, Nigeria to subscribe and watch this channel so that I could bring my experience here in Canada as one of your own from Africa to share my experiences with you and probably even to answer some of the questions that you may be having. So guys, part one is done. See how our front yard is looking after mowing, our lawn here. So just take a look, guys. So this is how our frontage is looking like now. Looks so beautiful, right? So the grass has been well done, flat to the ground, at least to the desirable length. And this is how the side is looking like here. And now I have to go and do part B over there. I will enter through that gate there, then do the backyard, and it's done for today. So why don't you join me so that together we can do part two here. So guys, this is how I'm spending my afternoon Sunday here. It is quite very enjoyable and very refreshing at the same time. So yeah, I will have to show you how the backyard is looking like right now before I can mow the place. So here we are. So guys, this is how my backyard is looking like. You can see the grass has grown a little bit tall. So, oh, there's a squirrel there. Do you see? Just intruded my yard, right? Yeah. So my grass has overgrown a little bit. So time to do it. So I haven't cleaned my backyard yet, and so this is like first step to clean my backyard. But guess what? I've already done a good number of some barbecues here. As you can see, my barbecue machine over there, right here. And this is my garden net that I used last year, and this is part of the portion where I had grown my vegetables. And so this is the whole bunch of the yard. And this is the old lady who is doing an amazing job here. I want you now to join me as I do the job here to try and mow and make it much more tight and nice. All right, so if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And you are watching Martin MJC. So my name is Martin. I am based here in Canada. I migrated about 2 years ago from Zambia, currently working here in Canada. All what I can ask you is to give support to my channel by subscribing, liking it, but above all, to also watch the videos that I put on this channel. I have not posted videos on my channel for quite some time now because I was trying to work out on things. I think in the last video that I posted here on this channel, I explained that I was attending to some of the personal issues. Nothing bad at all, but sometimes it is good to, take a step away and concentrate to do some other things. So I was concentrating to do some other things. Not that YouTube is not important, but I wanted to make sure that I can finish up the other part of my life. Then I can get back and concentrate to producing videos for you on this channel. Guys, you've been so amazing to watch my channels. When I check the YouTube algorithms, I get the indication that most of the people that are watching my videos on my channel are from India. So guys from India, I want to say thank you and a shout out to you for supporting my channel and to watch my videos. So I would like also to invite friends from Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Congo, Tanzania, Uganda, Nigeria to subscribe and watch this channel so that I could bring my experience here in Canada as one of your own from Africa to share my experiences with you, and probably even to answer some of the questions that you may be having, those burning questions that you may be having. Because obviously, when you are on the other side of the fence, life is different, right? But I'm here maybe on your behalf that I may answer those questions that you may be having on the other side of the fence in this life. So yeah, I will try to put some more videos for you. So thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with your friends and relatives. Push Facebook pages and different social media to people that would be interested to have an experience of what it means to be in a small town in Canada, right? And have experience of life from this part of the world, right? So this is what I do to just show you how life is in the countryside and in small towns of Canada, right? So join me as I do the job here. Come along. Yeah, so wow, I'm done. Guys, I'm done. I did part A and I ended doing part B. I'm exhausted, as you could see. I'm even sweating, and it is very sunny today. But guess what? Job done, and it looks very clean. Would you just show around how clean it is? Like this way. Yeah, just look at that. Yeah, and see how it is looking like. So like I told you, that's my garden net there, and this is where I do put all kinds of my vegetables. Apparently I don't need so much space because my family is not all that big, and we make sure that we grow vegetables that we are going to consume and use as family. So probably this is enough, and some flower pots there. We also put some vegetables like tomatoes and other things in there. Yeah, and this is what it is for today, and I would like to thank you for joining me to watch my video. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. From me to you, it is peace to the world, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.